How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text or fonts in Krita. So as an example, I'm going to actually get myself a new font. So I'm going to download this specific font right here. And then you could just extract it to a specific folder. Now, if this is your first time doing it, just make sure that you closed or the Krita application isn't open. Right after, you could just double click on the OTF file or the TTF file right here. Click on install. And for this specific one, the font name is going to be Malum Poek. So if we actually head over to the Krita, simply create a new project, create a new text. And then in here, let's just do something very simple like guide to everything. And then simply right after, to edit out the actual text or to apply the newly text that we have applied, you can just actually enter the name right here. Once again, it's going to be Malum Poek. Let's just type it inside the font family. And then we could see the font that we just added right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.